So the next question, I can relate to this question that I'm about to read a lot too. Baruch Hashem. So our friend says, Shalom Kavod Rav, Baruch Hashem. Thank you very much for the answers. My question, how can a person read the Mezuzah of the front door of his apartment when he returns from taking out the garbage bag? And there's another additional question, but
what's that? How can a person do what? Read the Mezuzah? Touch the Mezuzah?
Yeah, basically kiss the Mezuzah without...
Kiss Mezuzah, yeah. So, but the garbage bag, they're clean, no? I mean, it's plastic, it's all clean. So I'm not sure what is the issue. You don't touch the garbage inside of the bag. So you tie your bag and you go to throw the garbage. So your hands are clean. There's no problem. Plus you don't touch the cloth. You touch the case. And some people do not touch. So how you kiss? No, nobody kisses Mezuzah. Go to the doorpost. So how you touch Mezuzah and kiss your fingers. Some people cannot. It's unbelievable. Adults, right? Kids understand, but some adults do not cannot remember this sequence and do the opposite. They kiss the hands and touch the Mezuzah. It's and same with Sefer Torah. Even though they say everybody kissing opposite, you touch with it's not proper touch with your tzitzis, right? Only with your hands, with the tzitzis, you kiss the tzitzis, that's it. Women should not touch it, of course. A man can touch with the cedar, touch with a closed cedar, with a book, and kiss the side of the cedar. There is no problem. So there's no problem whatsoever with this Mezuzah. But go ahead, please.
Okay, no, we're just gonna add that if let's say we have some neighbors that are not so careful when throwing with the garbage, and we have to touch the lid of the dumpster of these things, and somehow in the process of getting rid of the garbage bag, we get some garbage, in our fingers. Well, what should we do then?
So you, I mean, don't touch it. Many times I tell the shoes, I don't touch the Mezuzah. I just hands bring very close and I kiss the hand. That's it. So, but I acknowledge very much there is a Mezuzah. So especially in the public places, in the shul, for example, everybody would touch and kiss. You're going to get all of the bacteria from all of the people. Not a good idea. Okay, so we have to be careful. It's only custom to kiss Mezuzah. It's actually started from Onkelos, Hager, right? But there's no such law that you have to kiss them. It's the law that you have to put up the Mezuzah. That's the law. But to kiss it, it should serve as a reminder. Okay. What else?
In regards to this very same question, another problem, another issue that I find myself involved with, and is when I just about to go out with my dogs, and I put them on a leash before leaving, I have to touch them. It's almost like inevitable.
Yeah. Okay.
So then, what can I do then in order to?
You can even just look at the Mezuzah. That's good enough. Just look at it. Just contemplate.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.